Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and welcome to Free Watch Face Tuesday. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a freebie for you to check out. This is Free Watch Face Tuesday. Now this watch face is nice, it's clean, and most importantly, it is free. Now, the name of the watch face is called Iris 4. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to be in a black and white theme, which isn't bad. Once the watch face is on, it gives you everything that you can ever want out of a smartwatch. It is not interactive and you cannot customize the color, but it gives you all the important information you're gonna want out of a smartwatch, like your heart rate, miles walked or ran, your step goal percentage, also your battery life, and most importantly, you get a digital time. This is a nice look. I like it. It gives you the day, the month, and the date. What more can you ask for out of a free watch? All right, you all, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you all enjoy Free Watch Face Tuesday, and hit me in the comment section down below. Are you gonna download this, or are you gonna leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, if you liked the video, hit the like button on the way out. If you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.